Want to analyze your support performance and its impact on customer retention? Here's how to automatically track closed Help Scout tickets in Mixpanel for powerful support analytics. First, we monitor Help Scout for any conversation status changes. This trigger fires every time a ticket status updates. Next, we add a filter that only lets closed tickets pass through. This ensures we're only tracking completed support interactions, not every status change. Only when a ticket reaches closed status does the workflow continue. Finally, we create a detailed Help Scout ticket closed event in Mixpanel. This captures everything you need: ticket subject, customer email, tags, who closed it, and timing data. We even format multiple tags into a clean, comma-separated list for easy analysis. Now you can measure support impact on retention, identify common issues through tags, and track resolution times. Combine this with customer journey data to see how support interactions affect your business outcomes. So get Mesa, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.